Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for lemon bars. And I recently discovered that this is an American recipe, which is why I don't see it around here too much. But today we are making it ourselves. It has a shortbread crust and a lemon custardy kind of a topping. It's really delicious. So let's get started.
We have a lot of repeat ingredients for the two parts. So first, the crust. 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour. For the filling, we need juice from 2 to 3 lemons, depending on how big they are, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, 1/4 cup or 60 grams of flour, 4 eggs. We'll start out making the crust. Add butter, 2 cups of flour, and half a cup of sugar to a bowl, and cut the butter into small pieces. You can use a food processor here, or I've seen some people grate their cool butter into the flour. At one point, I start using my hands to break up the larger pieces of butter. Then pour your crumb mixture into a 13 by 9 inch cake pan and press it firmly into the bottom. Then bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden brown. While that's baking, we can prepare our lemon topping. I start out by juicing the lemons. I roll the lemons on the table to loosen the fruit a bit and make them easier to juice. I cut them in half and use a lemon juicer. Then, in a mixing bowl, add sugar and flour and whisk them together. Then I add all 4 eggs. And finally, the lemon juice. I like to strain it one more time to get all the pieces of fruit out, but you can leave them in if you prefer. Then whisk it all together. Pour the lemon mixture onto the baked shortbread crust. And bake it for another 20 minutes. It should look something like this when finished. The crust is flaky and crumbly, and the topping is a bit chewy and lemony. It should not be runny at all. I love it. This is a lovely, sweet, and tangy dessert. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.